This is Immaculate 5889. Let's do this thing. I'm going to randomize nothing to start off with, but I will afterwards. Because if there is a Man U card, if there's no Man U card, then we will randomize it afterwards. Because otherwise, it's a very complicated list. And if something hasn't filled in. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So if there's a Man U card, we'll randomize the list as we always do. If not... Oh, well, there's our booklet. There's our case hit booklet. There's your answer. All right, we'll go that like that. Here we go. First up to 99. It is Adama Traore, rookie for the Wolverhampton Wanderers. Very nice. Up next to 99. It is for Manchester City, Ferran Torres to 99. Up next to 99, Immaculate Standard, Arda Turan. Jeez, that is thick, and you can tell that's game worn. To 25 for Inter Milano, it is Christian Eriksen. 25. Geez, I've not actually seen this before. For Tottenham, 5 of 5, Harry Kane. That's cool. That's nice. For Italy, DDC's homeland, Paolo Rossi, 2 of 10. I said in this break when it listed as well, being like, hey, this might be something you're interested in, and he just snubbed me. And then 13 of 54 for Newcastle United, booklet auto, Miguel Almiron. Very nice. And that is Immaculate 5889. Done and dusted. Congratulations to Newcastle.